We've just arrived to our suite, 807, on Regent 7 Seas Navigator. So before we make the room a bit of a mess, I thought I would do a quick video. We've got a makeup vanity area here. It's got a plug, two different kinds of plugs. It's got the European plug. No plugs next to the bed. Or on this side, no plugs.
We do this for your security and safety, and everyone else is on board.
Large mirror above a couch. Beautiful orchid, champagne, fruit, TV.
Thank you for watching.
Here's some more plugs. And then a bar setup area. And I'm assuming that the refrigerator is over here. Yes. Fully stocked.
Coffees, I guess. That was only a couple.
Yep. And currently we're still in port in Miami. Here is balcony. It's a large balcony. A nice table. And there's Miami. So here's a look back at the room. Take you to the closet. It is a walk-in closet. I understood from watching other videos that this used to be a world cruise, so they had much more storage in the closet area. And then to the bathroom. Showers high. Faucet, I mean. Pretty much like a phone booth type of enclosure. And then there's also a bathtub here. All marble tile. Plenty of storage on each side. And that's it. It's 807. Regent 7 Seas Navigator.
So today we decided to have room service for breakfast because we don't leave till 12 o'clock, no, 1 o'clock. We get on an excursion. Anyway, so we got one with oatmeal. Can you see the oatmeal there?
Yep.
See the other one? Blueberry pancakes. This is gonna be fun. Eggs, that's over easy, I think. Is that what that is? And this is my omelet. It's a cheese omelet with some bacon. And now we're out of room. And French toast. And we have cranberry juice and I don't know what that
That's
is.
pepper, some honey, and then I had already gone down and gotten ourselves some iced lattes down at Coffee Connection.
There's your croissant we forgot about.
Oh yeah, there we go. So that's what we ordered in. This is how the laundry is returned to us. Some on hangers and some in a nice clear box. We've done laundry about every other day here on the ship. It's been very nice. It's the last full day of our cruise, and after the morning cleanup, we came back into the room, and for the first time in all the cruises we've been on, we found our suitcases on our bed. instead of under the bed where we had put them. So apparently on Regent, they want to make sure you get packed up today. We got room service for our last day. So that was awesome. It was right on time, and we will eat and wait to get off the ship. The breakfast that they have brought every morning, we order it at night and they bring it in the morning, and it's always really good.